This channel, Top Discovery, made about $1.5 million in the last 365 days. And that number for MadLab is about $2.5 million in the last year alone. Novella earned over $80,000 with just 43 uploads. And check this out. There is a channel called Underworld that earned about 83,000 in the last 30 days. Do you know what interesting about all of these 4 channels? They are all faceless YouTube channels. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube claiming that people are making thousands of dollars by creating faceless YouTube videos. So in today's video, I'll try to create a faceless YouTube video within just 45 minutes with the help of ChatGPT and few other AI tools. So be sure to watch the video till the end and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. To start your YouTube channel, you should pick a specific topic that interests you. If you want to earn more money from it, aim for a niche with high earning potential. Topics such as technology, personal finance, investing, e-commerce, insurance advice can be a great choice for your YouTube channel. They have the potential to attract large audience and can generate substantial earning for you. Now let's set the timer and dive into ChatGPT. Right now I am in front of ChatGPT. Let's say I am interested in starting a YouTube channel focused on investing, and I am looking to create a script for a video discussing on the stock market crash of 2008. To create the script, I will use ChatGPT and simply type in "Give me a YouTube video outline for the topic 2008 stock market crash." And you can see the AI provided me with a detailed outline for my video. Now you should note that I have only asked for a video outline, not the entire script. Next, I will select specific outline and utilize ChatGPT to assist me in writing in paragraphs from it. I will just select briefly introduce the topic of 2008 stock market crash and its significance in the global financial landscape. I will copy and paste it here, and I will give an instruction like "Please elaborate the above sentence," and it will generate a paragraph accordingly. Then I will open a Google Docs and paste all the text into it. Now the entire scripting process took me around 6 minutes, and as we got the script ready using the assistant of ChatGPT, the next step is to create a voiceover for this script. Now a high quality voiceover is very important for YouTube videos to stand out, but creating a high quality voiceover for your YouTube videos can be time consuming and frustrating, especially if you are not a trained voiceover artist. Also, it will easily take a few hours to recite the script in front of the mic. So I will use PicTTS, an AI-powered voiceover tool, to create this voiceover. For the last 6 months, I have been using this tool to create voiceover for my main channels. So from that experience, I can tell you that this is the most budget-friendly and high-quality voiceover tool for YouTubers. First, let's log into PicTTS. After logging in, I will just copy and paste the script into the text box. Each text box has a limit of 3000 characters. After that, I need to select the language and the AI voice. I will choose this one. Now you need to click on the synthesize button, which will render our voiceover instantly. I will repeat the same process to generate the voiceover for remaining portion of the script. Now I will simply download the voiceover, and let's play it to listen how it sounds.
The 2008 stock market crash was a pivotal event in the global financial landscape that had far-reaching consequences. It was a severe financial crisis that originated in the United States, but quickly spread to the rest of the world.
So you can see that within 5 minutes we got a professional sounding voiceover that would have taken hours to create. To come up with a catchy video titles, you can simply ask ChatGPT for suggestion. I will request an appealing YouTube video title and description for the video about 2008 stock market crash, and it will generate various title ideas and description that we can use in our YouTube videos. Okay, now we have the script, the title and the description. The next step is to create a thumbnail, which can be easily done using Canva. You can have access to thousands of stock photos in Canva. Just click on the photo you like and it will be added to the canvas. Add a few text to attract viewers and your thumbnail will be ready. It took me around 5 minutes to create the thumbnail in Canva. Now let's download the thumbnail so we can use it for later. Now in terms of SEO, ChatGPT isn't so effective. For that purpose, I personally use Suvo AI, which is again an amazing tool personalized for YouTube creators. SuboAI's advanced keyword research tool and long-tail keywords tool is a game changer when it comes to ranking your video on the top of the search results. These longer phrases are easier to rank for compared to the shorter keywords. For example, if I consider the term investing, it is a short keyword and it is more difficult to optimize and rank your video. On the other hand, it would be easier to rank for a long tail keyword like how to start investing as a beginner. This type of long tail keywords allows me to optimize my videos more effectively. So I have my script and created thumbnail using Canva. To make my video more discoverable on YouTube, I use SuboAI to optimize it for search and SpeakTTS to create professional sounding voiceover. All of these steps took me around 22 minutes approx. So we have only 23 minutes left to finish the editing and complete our challenge, which is quite difficult. But a great philosopher once said to me, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Alright, listen up folks, we are about to take things to a whole new level of grooviness by spicing it up with those killer vintage editing skills. I will use CapCut video editing software for this step. You can easily download CapCut onto your mobile or PC and it is free to use. To get started, open CapCut and create a new project. I can choose the aspect ratio and resolution of the project depending upon my needs. The next step is to import media files. I will simply drag and drop the downloaded voice into the CapCut. The next step is to create visual elements for the video. To do this, I will visit Pexels and Pixabay where we can easily download stock footages we need. Let's search for the term investing. And you can see hundreds of stock footages that are free to use in our video. Suppose I download this specific footage. Now I have downloaded all the footages that we can use in our video. So I will simply drag and drop them into my project and will start assembling them according to the voiceover. We have about 20 minutes left, so let's start the editing without wasting any more time. Now you can continue using as much stock footages as you need, but what you can also do that you can use some text onto it as well. So I will just go right here and I will go to subtitles and click on auto subtitles. This will now convert the audio into text and it will show on the screen of the video itself. So I will just click on English, then I will click on create subtitles and this will create subtitles for our video that will be presented on the video itself, helping us getting a better retention. Alright, I just have finished the editing and I am satisfied with the edit. So let's click on the export and wait for CapCut to generate the video. Okay, it has finished exporting. So let's watch the video first.
The 2008 stock market crash was a pivotal event in the global financial landscape that had far-reaching consequences. It was a severe financial crisis that originated in the United States, but quickly spread to the rest of the world. The crash was primarily triggered by the bursting of the housing market bubble.
Alright, I have finished everything. And honestly, it took me around 34 minutes to complete the edit only. So the whole process took me 56 minutes 36 seconds. Means we lost the challenge. But from this video we have learned that even if you spend 1 hour per day consistently following these steps, you can start your own faceless YouTube channel with the help of these AI tools and start earning revenue through AdSense. And if you want to start earning a lot of money on YouTube, then starting an animation channel can be a great decision as this video gets a lot of views. Don't worry, you don't need to be an animator for that. Just check out this video right here to learn how anybody can create professional 2D animations within a few minutes. But before that, like this video and subscribe to this channel and I will meet you in the next video.